Hey everyone, Broker Bill back with you. This week we're officially kicking off the most wonderful time of the year, Thanksgiving. It's a holiday Christine and I cherish, and it perfectly captures the community spirit we sell here in Delaware. It's more than just a house. You're buying a home base. As you're planning your Thanksgiving, you realize that retirement is about having a home base, a stable, low-stress place where you can gather the people you love. That's what Delaware offers, especially during the holidays. It's about low-stress living. Our own move for first-floor living with plenty of second-floor areas for guests and a yard for Doug proved its worth immediately. Low maintenance living here means your time and energy are spent on what truly matters. Memory making. Instead of worrying about maintenance or stairs, yes, stairs, you get to focus on family recipes and decorating. It's definitely about the coastal community vibe. There's a special kind of warmth that settles over our coastal and inland towns as the summer crowds leave, most of them. You see the true community spirit emerge. Right now, local places are hosting food drives, senior centers are preparing Thanksgiving meals for those in need, and our small town markets are filled with local pumpkins, fresh produce, and baked goods. You're buying into a place where neighbors check on each other and gather, a perfect antidote to the stress of moving. A feast of fall activities. Don't let the thought of moving slow you down. You still have time to secure a home and enjoy the holiday season here. Local Gobble Wobbles. Gobble Wobble. There are great turkey trot 5K races happening in Rehoboth, Lewis, and Dover. We may be at one. A fun, healthy way to start Thanksgiving morning and meet community members. Holiday lights. Many local towns, like Milton and Lewis, are already preparing their festive displays. By getting your home search finalized now, you'll be settled in time to enjoy the Shelville Enchanted Winter Celebration and other light displays starting right after the holiday. And some of them are probably on now. And the final course, don't delay your dream. If you're waiting to move until after the holidays, you'll be entering the market right as everyone else starts looking again in January. The time to secure a great deal, take advantage of the slower pace, and ensure a seamless closing is now. Don't put your retirement dream on hold. From my family to yours, I wish you a week of thankfulness, good company, and most importantly, a fantastic stress-free Thanksgiving feast. Thanks for tuning in to Broker Bill's Babble. And let's make your move to the first date your best gift this holiday season. Talk to you later. Bye.